On one side, remove hardware securing end cap and upright to crossbar. Then remove end cap and mounting bracket. Insert mounting brackets for each accessory bar and upright mounting bracket into bottom channel of crossbar. Reinstall upright and end cap. Fully tighten bolts. Then insert serrated flange bolts through accessory bracket into mounting bracket. Leave loose for now. Determine desired location of accessory bar and measure from end cap to accessory bracket. Finger tighten bolts. Repeat for accessory brackets on opposite crossbar. Next, insert mounting brackets into bottom channel of accessory bar. Then place accessory bar on accessory brackets. Insert serrated flange bolts through accessory bracket into mounting bracket. Finger tighten bolts. Repeat for opposite side. Fully tighten serrated flange bolts on each accessory bracket until serrations on flanges are seated tightly. Repeat for remaining accessory bars.